Hi everyone, it's Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com. How are you today? Now today we want to share with you how to write an article on LinkedIn. So I know when you're new to social media and you're new to the various social media platforms that navigating on these platforms can be a bit challenging. So we're going to share with you some quick tips, a quick checklist on how to navigate on LinkedIn and publish an article. So sit tight, and I'm going to share my desktop with you so that you can see what I'm doing. Now, we're going to go over to my LinkedIn profile, which is right here. Usually when you log in, you're going to end up on this page, and then you'll simply click on the IN, and it will take you where you can publish an article. Simply, and this is the body right here, so you can, let's go back one. Hold on. Here we go. I want to start at the very beginning. So this is the body of the information where you can type and put in the information, or you can simply share a quote. So you can click here to write an article, you would click here to upload the image, or you would click here to share a video. Now what I'm going to do today is click on, we're talking about writing an article today, so we're going to click on write an article. And then here is where you would upload a picture. Now for LinkedIn, the article picture should be approximately 744 pixels by 400 pixels. So you can use things like canva.com, Pixlr, something like that, where you can find a royalty-free picture, or you can use, just have a professional photographer do your pictures for you, or it can be pictures that you own yourself that you have the rights to use and share. And I'll share a couple of websites with you at the end where you can go to get royalty-free pictures. Now, you would simply come down here and type in a heading. So I'm going to upload a picture just so you can see what it looks like. I haven't adjusted the picture for the size of the LinkedIn, but I'll go do that later and show it to you. But I'll show you that. That's what it looks like. Then you can go in here and add the caption or add who took the picture. So I'm just simply put jeffandcarmelita.com on here. All right, and then we're going to go down here to the header, and we're going to title this article, How to Write an Article to Publish on LinkedIn. Okay, and once you do that, you can simply click here and start writing. And I'm going to put in the first line, I'm going to put the title in the first line. And that helps with the SEO search when you're writing an article. How to write an article to publish. Now, if you're like me, you probably prefer the video blogging, because I know we all have different learning styles and different ways that we like to share things. Some people are writers. Some people love to listen to music and things like that to get them going. And then other people are visual people where they need to see it and they need to physically do the things, okay? So also, I'm going to click here. Now, this is where you can also add a link. If you wanted to share a link and another image and a video, or you wanted to add slides, or there's the link. And then if you wanted to add some snippets, you would just click on there. So we're going to click out of there. And then we're going to save it as a draft so you can see what it looks like. But let me go up here at the top and explain the top here. Now, this is also a link where you can use to add a link. Over here is your text type. Let's go down here. So over here is your text type, and then you can bold it, or you can italicize it, underline it. You can add bullet points. And then we're just going to go over here and save the draft. And you see that the save is on auto save. So there's a couple of articles that I have in the draft. So after you save the draft, you can just simply come over here and edit it and get started right back doing it again. Now, let me show you a thing over here where you can go to canva.com, and if you type in LinkedIn banner, that's the banner for the actual, your whole LinkedIn page. That's not the one for the article. You would actually have to come into Canva and you would have to click on create a new design. Hold on, my computer and internet is moving a little slow here. Let me take this out of there. So you click over here, create a new design. And where is the custom image? There it is, hiding over there in the corner. So you click on custom image, and then again, the image for the article size is 744 by 400. And you would click. Did I type that? Oops, I typed the wrong size in there. Let's go back. Let's go back to design. I put 4,000. That's going to be a huge picture. No wonder it's thinking too long. So you don't have to be perfect to do this, y'all. So look at it. 744 by 400. One too many zeros, right? Custom and create. And that looks much better. So I'll just simply upload a picture that I already have on Canva. Now Canva is great. They have royalty-free images that you can use, and they have things that you can upload yourself. Let me get over here and just pick a picture to use on here. Let's choose this one. You are likely to achieve the unlikely. Let's simply move it out. And since the background is already white, it fits perfectly, so there's no need to widen it or adjust it, anything like that. So I'm going to simply, and Canva automatically saves it, so I'm going to simply download it so I can share it. Okay. And that's simply how you create an image for your LinkedIn article. So we're going to go back over here to LinkedIn. Let me show you one more website that you can get free images from. Pixabay is a place where you can get royalty-free images. And Pixlr.com is another place where you can get royalty-free images. So just to let you know, there's other places that you can get royalty-free images. Now we're going back over here. Let's go over here to, we're going to go here and check out some of the articles that I previously wrote. And here we go. And let's take a look at them. Okay, and you can also share things from things from LinkedIn. Like LinkedIn has news articles that come in your news feed, so you can simply just share those things as well. So this is a news article that I shared, and Tesla is lowering the price on their new model, which is great. Makes it more competitive. But let's go one to that. Go over to one that I actually wrote myself. Hold on. And see articles. And those are some things I shared. Here's a picture I shared. And some other articles I just shared. Okay, and here we go. Wait a minute. That's right here. I just wanted to show you that it also shows you the insight, gives you insight on on how many people are looking at your articles. And it shows you right here how many people are actually looking at your article. So if you post an article and you want to edit it or you need to delete it, you just simply come over here and click delete and click edit. So that is the simple checklist of posting an article on LinkedIn. Now stay tuned for more helpful tips on various social media platforms on how to use various social media platforms. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. God bless you.